Good morning. My name is Gerald Browning, and I am the president and founder of BeraTek Industries, located right here in Cedar Rapids. Have you ever found yourself frustrated with a product that should be simple, and you end up looking like the lady pulling her hair out? Well, I have, and that's why I'm here today, and I have no hair. So BeraTek Industries is focused on innovative solutions to simplify your life. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about BeraTek, what we do, why we do it, my background and my story, and then the current products and our future plans, and also a little bit about what I've learned. So in short, BeraTek pretty much turns ideas into money. We have a very efficient process where we can take an idea, turn it into a consumer-centric product, and get it to the consumer. And some of the services we provide are product design and engineering, prototyping including 3D printing and CNC machining, manufacturing, marketing, and selling. So a little bit about me. I grew up working in the garage with my dad, hands-on, tinkering, taking things apart, figuring them out, and making stuff. So that's where I started. When I went to college, I got my degree in mechanical engineering from the University of Iowa with a focus on product design and manufacturing. In 2007, I started at Civco Medical Solutions, where I was introduced to 3D CAD modeling, product design, and manufacturing. In 2010, I graduated, got married. In 2011, we bought our first house, and I bought my first CNC mill, and I had no idea how to run it. So I taught myself how to run it. And in no time, I was designing parts for people, custom parts for people, and actually making them in my garage. In 2012 is when I bought my first 3D printer, and I bought it so I could design my own consumer products and sell them. In 2013, I had my first product designed and ready to go, which is the Hold and Go Slow Cooker. In 2013, I also found a good mentor, which I encourage everybody to have. In 2014, a very big year for me, I had my first sales of my 3D printed consumer parts, and then my son Levi was born, which led me to create ViewC, the Universal Baby Monitor Shelf, and I also resigned my full-time position to focus on ViewC in my business. And then in 2015, we moved over here to the old Rain Rose building, and we filled it with new manufacturing equipment. So some of my passions are critical thinking. I love to learn about new products, new processes, and I also love to solve problems. What I learn, I love to teach other people so they can get a background on how we do what we do at BeraTek. And then I always love to make new products. So why is BeraTek here and how do we do it? BeraTek was started because I had 4 new products that required 6 different injection molding tools, and they were all ready at once. I got quotes, injection molding quotes from many different sources, and I had a little over $200,000 in injection molding tooling. And I figured I could buy the equipment and do that myself a lot cheaper and faster. And also the time on every single one of those injection molding tools was 12 weeks. So time to market was essential for me. So I bought my own equipment, now we're doing it for ourselves in a much faster and cheaper way. How do we do it here in the US as far as a manufacturing company? We focus on being very, very efficient. Our people are efficient, our processes are efficient, and our machines are brand new and efficient. Now, we're really focused on trying to reduce the product launch risk because 80% of new products every year fail. So that's not a very good stat for a product company. And then we've really focused on simple customer-centric products. So in short, we are vertically integrated where we control the entire process from start to finish, which allows us to make our process efficient and reduce costs. So I wouldn't be able to do this without a team. So I have 5 employees right now. I have a product development and tooling engineer. I have a machinist and tool builder. I have a director of marketing and sales. I have a production and shipping specialist, and then I also have an online marketing specialist, which also does our graphic design. So here's some of our current products. It started with ViewC, the first marketed product. ViewC is the Universal Baby Monitor Shelf. The Hold and Go Slow Cooker, which is a 5-quart ultra-portable slow cooker. The Power Birch, which is an outlet cover shelf, which allows you to add a shelf to any outlet. And then the Cafe Wall Caddy, which is a space-saving, damage-free K-cup holder. So our future plans are to grow our current products and brands through different distribution channels and line extension products. And then we're going to focus on more products, different products, non-line extension products, and create more brands, and also focus on customer products and brands. We're going to expand our manufacturing capabilities to add more capacity in different manufacturing methods. We're going to really focus on becoming even more efficient, because that's how we're going to be able to compete with manufacturing here in the U.S. And then we really want to reduce the product launch risk, so we're going to focus on that a little bit as well. And then I want to keep building the team so we can make BeraTek one of the best places to work in the corridor, and then also focus on customer services. So some mistakes and failures, which in turn are just learning for me. I've made plenty of mistakes and failures, but I learned from them. And I have two here, but there's plenty, and you can ask me about the story behind these in the Q&A, but show customers what they want. I've learned that the hard way. Most customers don't know what they want, so if you show them, likely you'll get the sale. Don't wait for anybody or anything. Keep moving forward. Business deals fall through, so don't wait, just keep going. Some advice for you guys, for up-and-coming entrepreneurs and business owners: be creative and think outside the box. Don't do something that somebody else has already done, because you'll never get anywhere, and competition will be high. Have a goal and a plan in place. That helps when you sit down and make a goal and a plan. It helps you think through the entire process and what you want to do. Just get started. If you're having a hard time, you're trying to think through everything, just get started. It'll all come and it'll all fall into place. And take some risks and get out of your comfort zone. When you're out of your comfort zone, amazing things happen. Don't be afraid to fail, which in turn is just learning. And take advantage of all the opportunities, or all the opportunities that come available. You don't know what certain opportunities will bring, so take advantage of everything. And don't be afraid to ask for help or advice from peers, mentors, that sort of thing. And always keep learning and have fun. That's it. My contact information is up there if you need it.